Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, we are going to take a look at the steps on how to enable the Recall AI feature of Windows 11, version 24H2, and future releases. The hardware requirements to run Recall are quite high. To use this feature, your PC must have Snapdragon X Elite and X Plus processor, 40 TOPS, 225GB storage and 16GB of RAM. You will have the option to enable and disable this feature. However, you can still have the option to enable the timeline AI of your PC from the settings. This feature is still in preview mode, so this video is for explaining, rather than hands-on experience. So, let's begin. If you have a compatible computer that meets the requirements for Recall, go to Start. Then open Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Then you will notice a new Recall and Snapshots page. When you open the page you will see the Save Snapshots button. You need to turn it on, and it will enable the timeline AI. Once you have the feature, you can see a Recall icon on the system tray. You can click on it to make changes to the settings. You will also notice a Recall button appear in Apps tray of your taskbar. If you have a PC that is compatible with the Windows Recall feature, but not able to enable the Recall feature, to solve this issue, you need to open the local group policy editor. Go to User Configuration. Select Administrative Templates. Then Windows Components. Then look for Windows AI folder. Make sure that the setting here should be at, not configured. Click Apply and OK. Then restart your PC and you will able to use the Recall feature. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.